Yeah, in this video we're going to be addressing the CAN bus communication error in under HRV 2019. CAN is basically the controller area network system, which is responsible for the communication between various electronic modules in a car. You can see from the display as I start this car right now, we can see multiple errors now. For instance, FCAN, which is fast control area network, and this issue is commonly this communication between the ABS, which is anti-brake system, and the ECU, which is the engine control module. And with this kind of error, it can bring other errors on the instrument cluster, like a VSA, which is a vehicle stability assistant. The next one is the BCAN. The BCAN, which is the body controller area network. This basically manages the slower speed communication for a convenient feature like climate control or door lock. And we can see the next one, which is the DA unit, which is a display audio unit. This control the infotainment system. Here the error could be related to the software issue or the hardware malfunction. So we need to understand that all these modules are connected together in a car. So I'm going to go ahead and address the errors on this car. So I started the diagnosis, and I'm going to wait for a few seconds. So I'm going to speed up this video, after which I'm going to confirm if the VIN number is okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is to press the display button, menu button, and the power button at the same time for 4 seconds. Then it's going to display this self-diagnosis mode. I will press down the home button for another 4 seconds. Then I'll have this page that shows the inline diagnosis settings. Then I'm going to go ahead and press complete, then press yes to confirm, so that the system will restart itself. Then you have to wait 1 minute 37 seconds for the software to do a kind of self-diagnosis, then shut down and try to reconnect all this CAN network together. Then it's going to clear all the errors. Now, as you can see, the GPS antenna is part of the error we got earlier, and you can see right here the system is trying to connect the GPS antenna to the satellite for accurate navigation in this car. And you can see the software even display the problem on this car, which states that the system lost power. There was a battery drain. Because of that, all these modules cannot communicate with each other. At this stage, I'm going to wait and let the process just run through. Then I'm going to go ahead and test the audio, if the audio is working perfectly. Then after that, and check if the phone connectivity is working perfectly, the GPS navigator. As you can see, everything seems to work perfectly. Then right now, I'm going to go ahead and restart the vehicle. And after I restart the car, then as you can see, the error is no more there. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Bye for now.